Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years. And I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now. Hey traders, John Howell here. And today we're going to be looking at the gold and silver market. And man, you guys had a little bit of a hussy fit yesterday, didn't you? Now, hopefully you're actually watching this video and not just going on based on what the title said of the video yesterday, because some of you guys are just bumblebees. Bumble. Now, a bumblebee is a guy who is jumping around from trade to trade to trade to trade to trade. You're jumping around, and a bumblebee is also someone that's not focused. And so that's why I called some of you guys bumblebees in the chat box yesterday, right? Because you obviously, you know, people are like, oh my goodness, John, yesterday you're saying it's gone to the moon, and now it's, oh my goodness, it's like, there's so many, and even one guy, I was like, you know, just talking about what's happening with gold and silver. And what I was talking about with gold and silver yesterday, if you guys watched it, is I talked about how there could be a short-term dip. But on my other videos I've done, I've also done long-term videos where I say there's a big move coming, there's an explosion coming, there's a super cycle coming. Yes, guess what? I still believe that. I still believe over the next 6 to 12 months, the super cycle coming. Things take time, guys, all right? Things take time. They don't just happen straight away. So that's when I'm saying, hey guys, this is what I'm seeing happening. And I've always had that stand. For you guys who've been watching me now for the last few months, my stand has always been, hey guys, come 2025, this year or this decade, and you look back, you would have maybe seen or already in the middle of one of the greatest booms we have ever seen when it comes to metals and especially gold mining stocks, right? So I and I said, you know, it's on like Donkey Kong when it comes to trade, when it comes to the markets, and I had one comment yesterday. They're like, you could take your Donkey Kong and shove it. Oh, you guys just get such a hissy fit, don't ya? So, what I was saying yesterday was, hey guys, you know what? There's a difference between trading and investing. If you're investing in gold, I've done investing videos, right? I am long gold right now. But that being said, it doesn't mean on a short-term basis we can't get a technical short-term drop. Meaning for 1 or 2 days, it may do that. And so I couldn't believe you guys. You guys are just crazy. I was teaching you guys yesterday how to trade the markets, not invest, but how to trade the markets. And you guys are like little bumblebees. It's like, guys, you got to realize there is a difference between trading the markets and investing in the markets. And if you want to be good at this, it's important you should become good at both. I have long-term positions in gold, silver, and mining stocks. Long-term bullish, right? And I will be for the next 5 years. But guess what? If there's a really good opportunity for me to benefit from the short-term drop, even for 1 or 2 days, and I use the analogy of, let's actually do this here. I use the analogy of looking at this chart here, right? Looking at the hourly chart, and even looking at like the 4-hour chart on gold. I'm saying, you know what, guys, when it comes to silver and gold, let me see, can I do this here? Let me see, can I? All right, my computer's really not operating well. There we go. All right, so, and I said, you know what, guys, looking at this here, 4-hourly chart, and even maybe the hourly chart as well too, it looks like, and let's go back to the hourly chart, it looks like that, hey, if we do get a drop down, I said if we do get a drop down, right? I didn't say we're definitely going to drop. I said if we are going to drop down. So hopefully you bumblebees are watching this video, because I don't know if it's going to drop down or not, but if we get a big drop, if we get a large bar breaking down here, see how this large bar over here, like see how the big drop down and then we started to move down? If we get another large bar like that coming out of gold, then yes, we have a high probability of making a short-term move over the next couple of days on the downside. But that does not change my long-term view. We just going to be getting, this is a short-term technical drop, but in the long term, you have that. So here's the thing for you guys. If you are part of the metals and miners, if you are part of that and you are not part of a trading system, you must have an investing approach. Investing approach says, I am buying this thing and I'm going to be long until 2025. And yes, we're going to get volatility. And yes, we're going to get bumblebees. And yes, some people are going to say, take your Donkey Kong and shove it. Right? But guess what? Donkey Kong's coming to town, guys. And on a short-term basis, on a 1 or 2 basis, if you know how to trade the markets properly, you can benefit even from a short-term drop that may happen in the markets. I don't know. As I talked about yesterday, I'm looking for a big breakdown bar here. And if we do get that, see this big breakdown bar? Big breakdown bar. And then this is an hourly chart. So for literally 1 to 2 days, we had a down move. 1 to 2 days. If we get a big breakdown bar, 1 or 2 days on a downward move. So guys, this is just the market talking. This is actually trading the markets. Okay, there's a difference between trading and investing. So I hope I've made myself clear with that. Yes, I can have a long-term investing approach, which I do. But technically, if the market's telling me, hey, if we do get a breakdown bar, I'm not saying to this, we could hold here and start to rally. Right, guys? I'm not saying we're definitely going to drop down. But the if scenarios, right? We need to wait for confirmation, right? Bumblebees. All right, we need to wait for confirmation. Confirmation for me is a drop down, right? And then a drop down. Then it now has a probability of now making a move, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm seeing when it comes to gold and silver. There is a difference between, once again, guys, I'm going to repeat myself. If you are part of, if you're buying gold and silver and so on and so forth because of all these fundamentals that's happening right now, and then you're getting freaked out about a week's worth of movement, you are totally incongruent with the way that you're approaching these markets, and you are gonna go bankrupt. You're gonna lose all your money. I promise you, because you're getting so wound up, so worried about 1 week's worth of movement, when if you are positioning yourself for what's happening in the markets fundamentally, you would know that, okay, then over the next 2-3 years, and guys, I truly believe this in the gold mining stocks. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I know that I'm in the market. And so when we do start to really see, like, it may take another 12 months for those gold mining stocks and gold to really start to be, part of a really big bull market again. Or it may take 6 months. It may take 3 months. Heck, next month we may be part of that. I don't know. I am long-term bullish. I'm in the markets right now. But as I said before, that's an investing approach. I'm just holding. But as a trader who makes money, who makes an income from trading, if there's short-term possibilities to take a short-term position over a day or so, I'm going to do that. And if you want to become a good trader, then it's important for you to be able to look at both sides as well too, right? There is a difference between trading and investing. Don't mix them up. If you're getting into the mining stocks right now because you see long-term growth, and then suddenly it doesn't do much, like that guy, he's obviously pissed, right? Take your Donkey Kong and shove it. Oh my goodness, that made me laugh so much. So guys, that's my stance on. I hope that clears it up anyway. There is a difference between trading and investing, once again, guys, and yes. I have done videos in the past based on the investing approach, based on the big picture, the super cycle, the big move. It is coming, right, guys? But it's not like tomorrow. No one knows what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm very confident by 2025 we're going to be experiencing one of the greatest bull markets we've ever seen in the metals and miners. Heck, it may start this year. I don't know. But on a short-term basis, when it comes to trading is all about having a pattern, having a system. And I was even teaching you guys the system. I was teaching you guys, I couldn't believe it. Most of you guys, or some of you guys, were absolutely having a hissy fit. But in that video, I taught you valuable lessons and valuable patterns that if you just trade it, you're going to kick ass, take names, and kiss babies. But all you saw was, you had a hissy fit, but I was teaching you valuable lessons and valuable tools and patterns to trade these markets to do well. And it's just like, okay, then, well, if you lose money, then it's not my fault because you're obviously not even listening. I'm giving this stuff out for free, like I did yesterday when it comes to having good trading patterns and so on and so forth. So it's totally your fault if you're losing money. If you're not doing well out of the market, it is your fault. So, yes, I will take my Donkey Kong and shove it because Donkey Kong is coming to town. He may be here next month, right? But all I do say is, once again, guys, the long-term view for gold, silver, mining stocks is definitely very, very long-term bullish. Who knows when that big bull market is likely to start? But when it does, for those who are not part of it, it's going to be too late. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new Breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.